Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to be looking at a gorgeous kit from Isabel Neves, and the cup number is cup 874100_2073, and it's called a Teenage Boy Birthday. You get 4 sheets in the actual kit, and it's to go on an 8x8 square card. I'd like to show you the sheets and then we can make the card. So the first sheet is an all over design, maybe a backing paper, something like that you could use. And then we've got the main design to make the card. We've got an extra mini card. We've got the decoupage to build the card front and a sentiment if you want to use it. And then we've got an insert panel and some extra label sections. So I'd like to show you how to put the card together for any new crafters. If you're ever short of essentials, don't forget to visit craftsuprint.com and Crafty Bob for all your extras that you might need, your card stock, or your sticky foam 3D pads, or your double-sided tape, etc. I've got an 8x8 square white base card, and I'm just going to turn it over because the first thing I'm going to do is add one of the small designs, like a label, and I think it just works well on the back of the card, and it brings the whole design together when the card's finished. You could add your name underneath, so the recipient knows who's made it. I've just used flat double-sided tape to stick that on. And then we can go and add the insert. So the insert is an insert panel that I've just trimmed down to fit the inside of the card. I've got double-sided tape on the back of it, and I can peel away the actual carrier side. So that's the carrier of the tape. Third piece, there we go, and I can add this just inside my card, and there's a nice area in the middle for you to write your to and your from and your message on, and it's going to marry up nicely with the front of the card. So the front of the card, we have our base design, and again I've just got double-sided tape on the back of this, and I'm peeling the back of that away. This is a great idea for those teenagers in your life, somebody that you maybe don't know what to create a card, what style. This would work so well for all the teenagers. So I'm just adding the main image into the centre of my card. There we go, press it down. Now the first layer of decoupage that Isabel has designed is the main body of the teenager and 2 of the sections. So it's a large area of decoupage. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just going to position it over the previous layer to build up that 3D look. So I can pop that down, there we go. Next, I've just got this square in the corner. So this one is separate, again 3D foam on the back, I can marry the image up. I've then got another layer of the teenager, 3D foam on the back, so that's building that main image in the centre up. There we go, press that down. And then I've taken the sentiment and the blank tag, I've got 3D foam on both of them, and I'm just simply going to put one over the other. So I'm going to just kind of give it a bit of a shadow effect, and then I'm going to position that just to the side of the teenager and press it down. And that's our card finished. You can see the layers that we've built up with the guy in the centre. We've got our gorgeous sentiment. Our insert matches completely, and the back of the card ties it all in. There's also a mini card as well in the collection, which would make a great gift card. I've just scored the centre and folded it. I've used a bone folder to make sure that crease is nice and sharp, and that would work fabulously on a parcel if you're giving a present as well. And I would just like to remind you of the cup number. So it's from Isabel Neves, and you can see all of Isabel's designs by going to Craftsuprint. And the cup number is cup 874100_2073. And I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.